Hello again, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This is another test, POLYSAN test. I'm going to make a few comments regarding what we're seeing here. We're having a positive POLYSAN reaction on POLYSAN E, POLYSAN T, POLYSAN R, POLYSAN K, and POLYSAN M. So if we take, for example, POLYSAN E, POLYSAN E is related to syphilis or all kinds of toxins that have been inherited. Infertility, for example, kidney problems, etc. Now we can talk about POLYSAN T. We're also having a positive reaction. POLYSAN T is related to tuberculosis, migraines, arthritis, rheumatisms, gout, etc. Next, we have POLYSAN R. We have a positive reaction here as well. And positive POLYSAN reaction on POLYSAN R means rheumatism, arthritis, skin problems, allergies, uric acid levels, etc. Next, we can talk about POLYSAN K. POLYSAN K is related to circulation, also related to hypertension, allergies, rheumatism, congestion, virus, and bacteria. Very much so related to the condition of the circulatory system. And finally, we come to POLYSAN M, which is related to malaria. Liver problems, hormone problems, metabolic problems, etc. Regarding POLYSAN A, D, or DX, and also OM and G, we don't see a positive reaction. The blood doesn't seem to create a sort of a agglutination reaction in these positions. Only regarding POLYSAN E, T, R, M, and K, we can clearly see an agglutination reaction, which means a positive reaction. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you on my next video.